BFR, Batch Flower Remedies. Please elaborate.
Batch flower remedies, they are the 38 flower essence that has been discovered by Dr. Edward Bach. So Dr. Edward Bach, he himself was a homeopath. Fortunately, he just fell upon this flower Impatiens glandulifera. He found different mental changes in his body after this, and eventually he kept on discovering, and he ended up discovering 38 flower essence. So these 38 flower essence, they are absolutely natural.
Right.
And they are in a liquid form.
Okay.
And they are being sustained by alcohol, and they directly work on your senses.
Oh,
yes.
Is that so?
The best beauty is that they don't have any side effects, and you can mix and match those remedies as per your personality, as per your emotions, as per your present emotions,
right,
and as per your main personality. Every physical illness has its manifestation in the negative side of the individual's mind.
Correct.
So the first foremost illness is in your mind.
Right.
Which comes out into physical body.
Right.
So you need to understand this, how much ever you take care of your physical illnesses, unless the fog of your mind is not cleared, unless you are not into that body-mind sync, so your physical illness will stay taper.
Right.
Sometimes less, sometimes more. Always try and talk to your doctor, talk to the therapist, talk to the counselors, and we should make it a habit of couple counseling every now and then, during pregnancy, during menopause, during puberty. Take your parents, but counseling is must, because if we are not getting counsel, slowly and steadily we are just suppressing all the emotions. उनको हम भरते जा रहे हैं, and that bubble is going to burst someday. So rather than getting that bubble burst out, it is always better to be with your counselor, be with your therapist, and let them pull it out from your system slowly, steadily, and very subtly. And the beauty of this essence is this only: very nicely, very steadily, very subtly, it affects your senses in a positive manner and pulling out your negativity up. So I would say it works beautifully and in harmony with homeopathy and even allopathy. It is just that no modality is complete in itself.
So does this concept require a particular duration or a time?
It does.
Have the best results?
It does. You have to take it entirely for some time till you are on your feet. So ये जो confidence एकदम आ जाता है ना, I'm all right. That is very good confidence, because you feel happy about yourself. Because इतनी दिन तक तो I was not myself, I was crying, and suddenly you are happy, you feel that you are all right. But trust me, the counselor knows, the therapist knows कि नहीं, वो U-turn है अभी भी. And anytime you can take that U-turn.
So the duration may vary from person to person, case to case.
Yes,
6
of course.
months, 12 months,
when
2
it
years.
has been so acute, so chronic, when you have been taking from ages from your whole life, so can't you give a year to it? Can't you give a 2 year to it? You need to pull it out. And it is just not about the medicines it is more about conversation. It is more about give and take. You listen to me, I listen to you. So it comes out like this.
So I love that part of the book where you said कि दोस्त भी आपसे बात करते हैं तो उनको लगता है कि इसको कुछ piece of advice देनी चाहिए, and then they judge you where you do not want it. You want somebody to kind of just be there, to listen.
Having a good ear is a must. Trust me. If I know what I'm going through, I'm irritated, I know my drawbacks, but right now I don't want you to say them to me. I want you to understand that. I want your shoulder. I want your warmth. I want you to listen to me. There is a secret to this. Sexual completeness is a must for both the partners. To feel secure, to feel desired, and to feel that contentment. And this is the process which is going to give you that security,
right,
which is going to give you that contentment, right, and which is going to give you that confidence. Believe me.
Right.
But the society has that stigma of that this age 40 plus, 50 plus, now this is a barren land. She is infertile. There is no use. She is not a youthful lady anymore. she's already so insecure. So she needs that security from the partner. So bring up that confidence in her, bring up that thing by just listening to her, by just patting her back, by just hugging her. You know, little things matter a lot.
Batch flower remedy does help in other diseases also apart from the menopause. How it can be more useful in other diseases, only the psychological problems
Yes,
or other physical
I would
diseases
very
also?
clearly say that it works only on your emotions, only on the mental situation of your mind. But once your mental situation is in aligning with your body, with your soul, once you are in a better position to think, you're already healing your body.
Right.
Right? And so I use this very well with homeopathy. That doesn't have side effect, this doesn't have side effect.
Correct.
And I have seen very good results in high BP, in thyroid cases, in migraine cases, in sugar cases. Not that they are reversible. Believe me, sugar is not reversible, diabetes is not reversible, thyroid is not reversible, but you can cut them down to minimum by the combination of homeopathy and Bach flower. If we are giving homeopathy for the physical illness together with the Bach flower remedies which are working on your emotions, believe me, they work 100%. They literally work 100%, but you need to have patience for that. Eventually we boil down to harmony and togetherness, whether this is nature and human being, whether they are partners, whether they are different modalities.